my channel. My name is Shavonne if you're new here, and welcome. Also want to let y'all know this is the last video. You can go ahead and enter the NYX giveaway challenge. I'm giving away this NYX Ultimate Bright palette here. You will get a brand new one unopened. So if you'd like to go ahead and enter that competition, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel, you're following me on Instagram, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below. Also, this look was created using this Ultimate Bright palette, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.